a manually controlled elevator here at 11 Maiden Lane, here in New York City, New York. Absolutely beautiful cab. As you can see, this is an Otis. Look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. Let's take her for a ride. Wow, this thing is fast. Woo. This is so cool. I'm gonna get a cat view while I'm up here. This is just amazing. Look at this. Wow. We'll get a view of this crank. It's in a very interesting location in front of part of the gate. I wonder why they put it there, but that definitely makes this thing more unique. There's your light switch and your emergency stop. Alright, let's head back down. Here we go. And let's give it one more ride. This thing is pretty fast too. Already passing 7 and 8. Get a still pic while I'm up here. I'm so excited right now. Wow. Alright, now we'll go back down to 3 and end there, because that's where I found it. Listen. A little. And here we are. Wow, this is just incredible. Talk about a treasure. Is this gate? thing. And you get to see my lovely leveling skills too while we're at it. But well, anyways, there it goes. We'll get one final view of this cab. And that'll be it.